Lightroom on the web is Adobe's browser-based version of Lightroom that lets you import, edit, manage, and share your photos from anywhere, with no software installation needed. And in this video, we're going to take a look at Lightroom on the web and how you can use this incredibly powerful platform to access, import, and edit images taken on your mobile devices and regular cameras. Plus, I'll share some ideas on how Lightroom on the web can fit into your workflow. Here I am in Lightroom on the web, and if I wanted to import an image or images so that I could make some adjustments, there's a number of different ways I could do this. I could simply click on the Add Photos icon in the upper left of the screen and then either drag in an image or click to navigate to any of the drives that I have attached. I could also import from my Google Photos by connecting to my Google account. Here though, I'm in Lightroom Mobile, browsing through images that I have on my iPhone, images that are actually stored on the device. This image here is one that I'd like to apply some adjustments to, so I'll tap on it to open, and then I'll tap on Auto. And that's made quite a nice difference. But there are a few other adjustments I'd like to make, and it would be great to do them on a larger screen. So I'll close the image, and when I do, it is then automatically added into Lightroom, and I can access it from any of my devices. So now I'll jump over to Lightroom on the web, and if I click on the Added in Last 30 Days section, here we see the image. I'll click on it to open it, and then go to the Edit section. And here we can see all of the adjustments that the auto adjustment made when I applied it in Lightroom on my mobile device. Let's make some further adjustments. I'll start by going to the crop tool and straighten the horizon line a touch by clicking on Auto. I'll then go to the Edit section. I'll increase the contrast. And I'll bring down the highlights. I think I'll also warm it up a little using the temperature slider. I think this could really benefit from some clarity and texture as well to add impact. And to finish it off, I'll just add a vignette. There we go. I can click on the eye icon in the upper right of the screen to show the original image, and then release to show the adjustments. Now the really cool thing is that when I close this image by clicking on the X in the upper right, the adjustments made now sync across Lightroom. So here's the image in Lightroom on my mobile device with all of the adjustments available to me. And here it is in Lightroom on my main computer, again with all of the adjustments available to me. So now you know how to add photos to Lightroom on the web and make adjustments. Lightroom on the web can be an incredibly convenient addition to your workflow. You can log into it from any device with a browser and with no need to install the app, which is perfect if you're traveling, using a public computer, or maybe just switching between devices. So no matter where or when, we always have a way to access and edit our images. So log in, have a go, and enjoy.